Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EUR USD Forecast Bulls give up despite uneventful Fed analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID 6A8C489162028 1640 PM. EUR USD current price 1.1800. US retail sales missed expectations, spurring speculation about the country's economic health. The Federal Reserve left the monetary policy unchanged, positively review growth figures. EUR USD turned bearish in the short term and could retest the 1.1750 price zone. The dollar traded with a sour tone throughout the first half of the day, but the EUR USD pair held below January 1900. The pair retreated from an intraday high of 1.1882 following the release of dismal U.S. data and in anticipation of the U.S. Federal Reserve announcement. Retail sales gained 0.6% in August, while the core reading, Retail Sales Control Group, contracted NBSP 0.1%, missing expectations of 0.5%. NBSP. The tepid numbers anticipate more easing for longer, with equities reaching weekly highs. Then came the Fed. As expected, the central bank left its monetary policy unchanged, including in the statement, the latest framework shift to an average inflation target. Fresh forecasts showed that the FOMC expects the GDP to contract by 3.7% at a softer pace than the previous forecast of 6.5% in 2020 and sees unemployment at 7.6% at year's end, compared to 9.3% in June projection. Fed fund rates are seen unchanged for this year and the next ones, while inflation was downwardly revised for this year to 1.0% from 1.5%. The central bank had a limited impact on currencies, as the dollar seesawed within familiar levels through the event. This Thursday, the EU will publish the final reading of August inflation, while the US will release housing data for August, and initial jobless claims for the week ended September 11. EUR USD short-term technical outlook. The EUR USD pair fell below 1.1800, with the shared currency weakening at a faster pace against the greenback than other major rivals. The pair turned bearish in the short term, as the 4-hour chart shows that ETA is now developing well below all of its moving averages, which anyway remain confined to a tight range. Technical indicators, in the meantime, NBSP are firmly bearish within negative levels, supporting a test of the low set this month at 1.1752. Support levels NBSP 1.1750, 1.1710, 1.1665. Resistance levels 1.1880. January 1915, January 1960. NBSP view live chart for the EUR USD NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.